Did you know that selling copyrighted work on Fiverr can get your gig removed or even your account banned? In this quick video, I'll show you how to avoid copyright issues and protect your freelancing business. So let's get started. First, never use logos, music, or images you don't own or have a license for. Even fan art can violate copyright. Fan art can violate copyright. Always check Fiverr's prohibited services list. If a client asks for copyrighted material, politely decline and explain the risks. Use royalty-free assets from sites like Unsplash, UNSPLASH, or Pixabay, PIXABAY instead. Add clear disclaimers to your gig to avoid misunderstandings. For example, I do not replicate copyrighted designs. That will help you. If you receive a copyright claim, respond immediately and remove the disputed content. Stick to original work and you stay safe. You stay safe. For more details, check Fiverr's Help Center. If you like this video, subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching.